Today we're gonna do a couple fun things, but the first thing on our list is going to a cat cafe. I'm real freaking pumped because I can't wait to pet cats that aren't strays, but we just arrived and I'm so excited. Done at the cat cafe and it was life-changing. There were so many little kitties and it was so cute, and a little naked little boy climbed up on my back and just started laying and sitting and cleaning itself. It was so cute. But now we're on our way to the Sichuan Museum and it closes in about an hour, but we're gonna try and see as much as we can and maybe come back on another day. How was the cat cafe? Mood.
It's so beautiful. There was a fluffy cat and a cat with no hair, and the fluffy cat was really big and the cat with no hair was really small.
And when they stood next to each other, it was a moment.
Also, the coffee was good and there was some tasty food, but mostly
true. Finished with the Sichuan Museum. It'd be really beautiful. I didn't want to vlog too much. I wanted to be kind of quiet and respect the museum, but our next plan is to go to a Tibetan market. We're not sure if it's still going to be open or if we're going to be able to find it, because we've kind of been given directions but kind of not. So our plan is to go to the Tibetan market, maybe walk through this beautiful park that is kind of behind us and that goes for a little bit, and then I think we're going to get some Tex Mex at this kind of more Western restaurant in the city. So that is our plan for the rest of the day, and hopefully we can find the Tibetan marketplace. We found the Tibetan market, but we think it's closed. But you know what's not closed? The wine store. So now our plan is to get some Tex Mex. We just got to Nija Chow, and we actually also just got to Peter's Tex Mex Grill. So I'm hoping for some good tacos or nachos or something, because I heard this is a really good Western restaurant. It was recommended by our boss. Oh. smells good.
Hey, just margaritas.
So good.
Oh my god, this is the most American thing I can possibly think of.
Honestly,
It's a yeah. With a Corona in it.
True. Ooh, they have homemade premium ice cream.
Baked garlic cheese shrimp, onion rings, chicken wings, and spring rolls.
I like how you're looking at the dinner menu and I'm looking at the dessert menu.
You're very honestly valid.
Oh, I'm nervous
It's
then.
very strong.
I've never had a marg, so I'm gonna die. Shall we clink, ladies?
Yes. Clink.
Except I hit your lime, so it didn't clink, but it's okay.
You'll love it.
Margs are good.
Just keep drinking because the taste of tequila disappears very quickly.
Wow. Can you tell I don't drink? Wow, perfect timing. Thank you, nachos. Thank you.
I'm gonna. Can I
dig in? Done eating at Pete's Tex Mex, and at the we're just a little more drunk, just a little, but we ended up talking to these few people. It was two South Africans and an English guy, and we ended up getting in a conversation with them about what we're all doing here, and they were all so sweet, and I think they said they were going to come on to the Panda base and visit us at some time.
Yeah, because one of them's new here.
Yeah.
So she hasn't been yet. One of them's already been, so I don't know if she's going to come here.
One of them was here for 6 months so far, and I think the British guy was here for 2 years, is what it sounded like.
Yeah. One South African lady who just got here yesterday and was already out drinking Mars.
Yeah.
Big props.
Yeah. We stand.
She was like, I'm going to come soon. And we're like, come see us.
Yeah. And it won't be really hard to like notice us at the different panda enclosures because we are
white.
Yeah, we're tourists. So it's really easy to notice us. So hopefully they'll come by and we'll be able to recognize them and say hi. It was really nice to like talk to people.
It was really weird when I did the thing where I was in the booth behind them and I went, hey, are you South African?
Yeah. Eileen has been to Hogsback in South Africa. She did research out there, so she was able to like pick up on that accent real quick. Really nice to kind of get to know the tourists.
Yeah, it's because we're kind of in like the expat area.
Yeah.
We're not going to film in case we get in trouble, but we're actually walking past the U.S. consulate right now.
Oh.
So I think we're fine throwing this is. There's like a lot more people in this part of Chengdu who are white or otherwise Westerners or foreigners. So it was like more likely that we'd see other people who like English. But
plus, I mean, we were in like a Western restaurant with like
true. Also, so sorry for the lighting. We're walking past a ton of stores. It's really late at night. We're on our way home. It's like 9:30. We're gonna take the metro home.
It's like 10, bro.
It's not 10.
I think it's about.
It's 9:50.
Yeah. So like. 10. So we're just gonna take the metro home. Overall, Sunday today was a really, really great day.
I would agree.
We went to the Cat Cafe. Got some real nice, yummy toast, which not toast, literally just
but
like,
delicious.
Yeah, like it's just like a giant bread cake. Went to the Sichuan Museum. It was beautiful. Cool. It was really, really cool seeing different exhibits. And then we went to get some Tex Mex. So
tostadas.
Hell yeah. So.
And Marks.
Oh
Marks,
yeah.
Marks.
Yeah. So yeah, other than that, the rest of the week is just gonna be a normal day at the panda base, doing observations, watching pandas for 2.5 hours.
In the morning.
Yeah.
And like an hour in the afternoon.
Yeah, so can't complain. I should probably end this because I'm gonna start tripping. Because I fell flat on my butt earlier and like slid down a curb and kind of just sat there. It was like a little mini slide, honestly.
Yeah, you just kind of gave up and sat down.
Yeah.
And a guy behind us was like,
Nice little Chinese. It was like, oh! It was very sweet.
So cute.
But